This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Karen Rittenauer. Ready to build? Bring your builder and house plans. Make the beautiful Tusquittee Valley your next home. Paved roads will lead you to this elevated, wooded building lot with 2-bedroom septic permit valid until 2026, well installed, and property lines marked. Gorgeous year-round views of the Tusquittee Mountains from the back of your new home. Lovely, small neighborhood with sensible covenants to protect your investment, no short-term rentals allowed. You will feel like you are away from it all in your own peaceful mountain sanctuary, but so convenient, just minutes to charming downtown historic Hayesville, shopping, restaurants, popular fishing and hiking areas, and all the outdoor activities at Lake Chatuge and Fires Creek. Quick trip to Murphy, North Carolina and the Northeast GA mountain towns. For more information